We are back. Fully back, babes. This is the most glam I've been in at least 2 years, and it's for a very special event. So if you guys want to know all the details and how to get this look, just keep watching. I'm so excited to sit down and film with you guys today. I've actually have not been feeling very good. So if I'm a little bit low energy, I'm sorry, that's why. There's such a big event going on tonight. I had to pull myself together. So tonight I am going to an event for Fenty Beauty. Rihanna's gonna be there. Riri. The Rihanna, my obsession. There is no one I love more than Rihanna. Like, Rihanna is who I aspire to be. I am definitely more of a, like, I don't want any of Beyonce fans coming after me, but I'm more of a Riri fan than Beyonce. I just cannot wait. I can't believe she's gonna be at this party. Like, I'm very stressed out, excited all at once. Let's get into this makeup because I'm already late. I'm very late. So it is Super Bowl weekend, you guys, in LA. And this city is crazy. There's so much going on. The traffic has been insane. There's sirens galore. It's just like the city is nuts. And this event tonight is in the heart, like the thick of Hollywood. So getting there is gonna be just like the most impossible thing. The guest list was super limited. So I feel so grateful to be invited. And I just, oh my God, imagine if A$AP Rocky's there. I would die. Okay, so I am using the One Size Secure the Blur Makeup Magnet Primer, which I don't think I've ever used before. I'm using the NARS Soft Matte Foundation. I don't know if this is my color. I've been doing self tanner, which I actually love doing now because I used to go get spray tans all the time, but self tanner has come such a long way that it's kind of easier than going get a spray tan. But let's see if this color still matches. I'm using Sahel, so I'm kind of like trying to match to my chest. You guys can see my face is a little bit lighter. Yeah, this looks great actually. Okay, so what am I doing for this look today, you guys? I have no idea. What am I wearing? I have no idea. Am I late? Yes, I am. Story of my life. I swear I'm like, I'm gonna start getting ready early so I can have a lot of time. I'll tell you what happened. So as you guys know, I recently moved and I've been setting up my makeup room. I realized how much I love my new makeup room. It makes me so happy being here, which I know is kind of a weird thing to say, but you know how some people love their bedrooms or love their TV room because it's just so comfortable. There's something about my makeup room that's kind of my sanctuary. So I came in here and I started organizing, putting things in their places, opening PR boxes, Next thing you know, I look at the time and I'm like, oh my God, I need to shower. I need to do my hair. I need to do my makeup. That's what happened. The one thing about LA though, you guys, is that everyone is always late. Like always. So I'm not the only one. So if you show up on time, you'll most likely be the only person at the event. Hopefully it all works out. Okay, I pulled out a bunch of different palettes, you guys. I want to go dark, smoky, sparkly, a little bit of Euphoria inspired. If I can find like rhinestones, that'd be awesome, but I don't know where they are because I still have a lot of stuff packed up. But I have a bunch of different palettes out. I have the Buxom times Ashcombe palette. I have this Ciate palette, which is really cool. So we're just gonna play. I also have this one from House Labs. We're gonna play and we're gonna see. I'm starting off with my brows because I kind of just want to frame my eyes before I do my eye makeup. I'm doing a slightly heavier brow because this is gonna be a little bit more of an intense look. The brow pencil that I'm using is from Refi. This is a really, really good brand for brow products. I believe this brand was started by an influencer, I think. I could be wrong. If you know, can you leave it in the comments, please? I'm very, very impressed with this brow product. I'm gonna clean up just a little bit here. Just a little bit of concealer on this brush. Cleaning up underneath and above. So the shade that I was using, it doesn't say anything on the packaging, you guys, so I'm not really sure what shade that was. Okay, I think this is brow gel. It's like white, it's not clear. We're gonna find out right now. Do you guys hear the sirens? It's been like this all night. I'm telling you, this city is going bananas this weekend. Literally everyone is here. These brows are next level right now. Since we're doing an intense eye look, I'm gonna use eye primer. I can't even tell you guys the last time I used eye primer. It's been so long. This one is from Too Faced. It's the 24 Hour Shadow Insurance. Pretty positive this is new because I just opened it in a PR package. I think it's part of I don't know if this is part of a limited edition, limited collection, or if it's a permanent product, but we're gonna test it out today and see how well it holds. Our eyeshadow. Eye primer is great if you're doing more intense looks like I'm doing today. I'm also trying this matte pencil from Nude Sticks as a base to make this a really intense look. I feel like I haven't done this in so long, you guys. It feels so good to have a real reason to get dressed up, play with makeup, you know, see all the beauty girls that I haven't seen in so long. You know, there's obviously girls that I've seen like Roxy and Chloe's during the pandemic, but there's a lot of girls that I haven't seen since, you know, for 2 years almost. So going to these beauty events is always so fun to catch up with everyone. I'm also gonna take that pencil and do the same thing for the lower lash line. So it's like very, very smoky, very intense. So I think I'm gonna mainly stick with the Buxom Times Ash Cone palette because I feel like this has everything I'm looking for. I'm going in with the shade Teddy. This is gonna help us build all of the other colors. Then I'm taking this color here, Dynasty. This is, I don't even know how to explain this color. It's very sparkly, metallic. You guys seeing that? So pretty. I'm getting a lot of fallout. It's okay because we didn't do concealer. We could always go in and clean up. It's totally fine. I feel like I just want to pile this eyeshadow on. It's such a gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous color. And then I'm going to take a little bit of the black eyeshadow that's in the palette. It's called Smoky. And I'm just taking my classic mint, what brush was this? Mint 22. And I'm using that for the outer corner just a little bit because I want like little drama, you know, little drama to make it smoky. So I like putting the color on with one brush and then just really gently blending out with another brush. And the idea is like we want to create, you know, that V shape on the outside. I love this shadow. I can't tell if it's like a green or a silver or a gray, but it's totally working. I'm taking a black kohl pencil. This is one of my favorites. It's from Pixi. It is their Endless Silky Eye Pen. There are very few kohl pencils out there that I like because they're not creamy enough. They're waterproof, so they're really hard to blend. This one is so creamy. Like, you guys are gonna see, this glides right on, and it's like black, and I love it. So I'm applying this in my waterline, smudging this into my lashes. I'm also gonna take it and tightline my top waterline, and that automatically just intensifies the eye look so much more. Okay, I'm loving this so far. So For the bottom, I want to have a little bit of fun. I think this palette so far has been amazing. All the colors blend really beautifully together. So I'm going to take a little bit of Dynasty, the same color we used up top, but I kind of want to throw in maybe, I feel like this blue could be really cool, or even the purple. So the blue is called Scorpio, the purple is Major. I think I'm going to start with the blue. So I'm taking this little kind of flat brush. Okay, dipping that into Scorpio. Let's see what we get. Lining the lower lash line with that. Ooh, that's really cool. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to do a nice, kind of a thicker layer with this color, with the blue. And then just to make sure that it all blends in, I'm going with the first color, Dynasty, and just adding a little bit to that outer corner, black eyeshadow, and smoking it out right at the lashes. Okay, we got a lot of fallout going on. Totally okay. I'm just taking a makeup wipe. We're gonna do our full like foundation after this. I know I already did foundation, but we're gonna clean it up in just a sec. I do want to say, you guys, this eyeshadow palette is amazing. I give it like an A+. I don't know, the shadows just work so beautifully together. They're super easy to blend. These are all the things that I love in an eyeshadow palette. So if you guys don't know who Ash Combe is, she's actually an amazing makeup artist. She works with the Kardashians, she works with Kim a lot, and her makeup is just beautiful. She works with Ariana Grande. You should definitely follow her on Instagram for makeup inspo, and I'm pretty positive she has a YouTube channel as well. So look her up. Her makeup skills are next level. I love this. Just wait till we do the rest of the face. Okay, I've tried so many different lashes right now, you guys, to find ones that suit this look. These are the ones that I decided on. They are the Studio Effects. I think they're like double wispies. They're layered lashes. I want a lot of drama, but I don't want to take from the eyeshadow. So I think this is the right one. Let me plop these on. Okay, lashes are on. And now I am touching up my foundation before we do concealer. I'm using one of my faves, the NARS concealer. I got a bunch of different shades. So let me see. I don't know if they came out with new shades, but I feel like so many of their shades match me. So this one is called Cafe au Lait. Kind of love it. They have a lot of different shades in this concealer, so you will definitely find your match. I'm always a little bit extra careful when I'm blending out my concealer when my eyeshadow's already done. So what I like to do actually is go in with just a clean brush that has nothing on it and use that to just really gently blend out the concealer. I feel like this makes it have a much more softer look. It blends in with the eyeshadow really beautifully. Love it, love it, love it. I'm so excited to see this all come together. I set everything with the Fenty Beauty Butter Pro Filter powder, which is one of my absolute favorite setting powders. It just makes your skin look flawless. And I used the Marc Jacobs bronzer. Let's do a little bit of blush. Bare Minerals has these gorgeous bronzers, which are kind of like blushy bronzers. Let's give them a go. I have Kiss for Rose and Kiss of Copper. I think I'm gonna go for Kiss of Copper because it's more orangey, which I feel will look really nice with this makeup. It's funny because now that the makeup is all done, it looks kind of green to me. I don't know how it's gonna look on camera, but in person it looks very greeny, even though we didn't really use any green in the makeup at all. But that's kind of what it's looking like, which is totally fine. For the lip, you guys, I've done this lip combo before and it looked so pretty, but I haven't done it in a video, so I've kind of been saving it. About Face lip liner in the shade Baby Be Good, and I'm gonna use this to line my whole lip and fill in just a little bit. I love how smooth and creamy this pencil is. It glides right on and it's such a good color. This is like an essential nude to add to your makeup collection. Of course, it depends on your skin tone, but if you're like medium to light skin tone, this is a must. Oh, love this. Love, love, love this combo. Going over that with the Too Faced Hangover Pillow Balm Lip Treatment in the shade Mango Kiss. Are you guys seeing how pretty this is? Yay! I'm using the Dior, what is this called? Backstage Glow Face Palette. And I'm kind of mixing my brush into these 3 shades. And this is like the most luxurious highlighter, you guys. I swear, this will just make you sparkle. It'll make your skin sparkle. Okay, guys. So one of my lights stopped working. So I really hope this shows up on camera as it does in real life, because in real life it looks amazing. This is my final look, you guys. We pulled it together. I'm very, very late. I'm not going to tell you how late I am, but hopefully I'll get to see Rihanna. Hopefully I'll walk in just as she arrives. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I hope you love this look as much as I do. If you try it out, definitely please tag me at Eman on Instagram, at Eman Makeup on TikTok, and I'll see you guys in another video very soon. Bye.